The main purpose of programs like these is to improve students' lives by expanding their access to non-traditional fields such as 3D design and digital fabrication.
So the first day we examined the design process and the steps taken into solving a problem. After that experience, I realized that not only will the program help me better my skills in 3D modeling, but also as an engineering student.
This 3D printing workshop would have also teach students some soft skills such as leadership, communication, and teamwork that they would be able to use to develop their own 3D printing clubs where they could 3D print items that are valuable to the school.
The collaboration between industry, academia, and even government agencies also creates a more direct talent pipeline.
When we offer industry-relevant training, graduates leave here work-ready and aligned with the needs of the labor market. When we are able to expand our work-based learning opportunities, this bridges the gap between the theory and the practice.
Our students gain hands-on experience through 3D printing, modeling, design, and problem solving, which builds confidence and prepares them for future careers. At the same time, Orbtronics helps to develop local talent and strengthen St. Lucia's innovation ecosystem.
The mentorship gained from these programs allows students to link their skills to real-world outcomes, such as university pathways, career development, internships, and even entrepreneurship as well.
I would say to extend your horizon, go ahead, go for it. Even though it's something that you might not love, at least you tried it, you learned something new, you have some experience, you have something that you can take from and that you can teach somebody else as well.
Going to these programs taught me that there's a lot more that exists in the world, and then they also connected me not only with people who could teach me the hands-on skills that I would need to pursue this field, but also mentors who taught me a lot about personal growth and what it means to pursue a career in STEM and what challenges and opportunities are available.
The inception of our programs in 2020, we have upskilled over 1,000 students in 5 different Caribbean islands. We have also created reusable learning resources and curricula and connected over 30 students to jobs and university mentorship.
I can safely say that the opportunities that I'm afforded today would not have been possible without the local and regional STEM programs which I participated in. They helped to fuel and streamline my scientific interests so I could pursue a focused career. And thirdly, they provide me with a network of like-minded individuals to support me as I went through the highs and lows of academics.
By 2030, we expect to see the ripple effects of these engagements in areas such as a reduction of the fragmentation of the local technology industry, a reduction in brain drain as well, meaning that people who've gone abroad to study and work would be able to return to contribute to improving the local technology and innovation industry.
I think that programs like the 3D printing workshop are essential to be able to give students that kind of hope and that opportunity for them to truly be able to enter spheres where they can make a difference.
The extreme long-term goal of these programs is a reduction in brain drain, an increase in the innovative STEM products coming out of the Caribbean, and a pivot away from the extreme dependence on tourism in the region.